This is where the real magic happens. Before we can even think about reassembly or that first startup, every single part of this Volvo Amazon needs a second chance. The disassembly revealed the true extent of the work. Decades of grime, surface rust on the chassis, and components that were just tired. Take the suspension, for example. Every bushing was cracked, every spring sagging. We're not just cleaning these parts, we're shot blasting the control arms back to bare metal, inspecting them for cracks, and powder coating them for protection that will last another lifetime. The braking system was a full gut job. Every brake line was replaced with new custom vent lines. The original wheel cylinders were seized solid, so we've fully rebuilt the entire system with new seals and components, ensuring it's not just show-ready, but safe. Then comes the true test. Connecting the battery, turning the key, and hearing it start for the very first time. That first breath of life after decades of silence is more than just a mechanical sound. It's the soul of the car reawakening. And finally, the ultimate reward. Moving the Volvo Amazon under its own power for the first time in years. This isn't just about getting a car back on the road. It's about reviving a legacy. One that's now infused with modern performance, but still carries the spirit of my grandfather's original vision. The journey continues,